In this video, I'm going to go over how you can start and grow your own reputation agency business with LocalReputor, a groundbreaking reputation management and enhancement software. LocalReputor not only significantly improves your clients' local profile ratings on autopilot, something absolutely essential today, but helps claim them, manage them, and generates far more warmed-up leads in the process in several breakthrough ways no other tool can do. So let's get into it. First, sign into the cloud-based dashboard and click on the Get Started button to begin capturing reviews that will boost your local clients' Google My Business, Facebook, or Yelp profile listings. Give the campaign a name and assign it a folder to keep everything organized by client. Then choose which type of review gathering widget you want to create first. You can create modal widgets that appear over a web page, a floating bar that sticks to the top of a page, slide out review widgets, or a regular box. Let's pick modal widget for this quick example. Now you can begin customizing your widget so it matches your client's website or wherever they want to embed it to start getting the profile reviews. Remember, the more reviews the local businesses get, such as on their Google My Business profile, the higher Google will rank their profile, including putting it in the Google 3-pack, which will result in tons of more leads. Now we can begin customizing everything about our review capturing widget. For instance, we can customize the headline, customize the description, including fonts, colors, and formatting, and choose which platforms to capture the reviews for. We can choose Google My Business, Facebook, or Yelp, or a combination of them. And in the tutorials, we'll show you how to specifically connect it to the client's local profile pages so the review will appear right there. Plus, you can also customize things like backgrounds, colors, add animations like shaking to attract attention, and more. When you're done, simply copy and paste the code into your local client's web pages to begin capturing reviews and boosting their local profiles. So that's just one way to begin boosting their reputation. Next, we can create and sell Review Me QR codes and print-ready cards. Now check out how cool this feature is. Again, to start, just give your campaign a name and assign it a folder. Next, choose if you want to create a business card to sell or give to them, or hand out, a card, or a full flyer. For this example, let's choose to create a business card for our local business. Now we can start customizing it. Before we generate our Review Me QR code, let's add some images and text to it. So we can add a video for the background if this will be a digital business card. We can search millions of images like this, for say like a donut image if we're working with a local pastry shop. We can add text like this, change the color and positioning in the drag and drop editor. We can add cool emojis too. Then when it's ready, let's generate a unique QR code to put into the business card. We can choose to enter their Google My Business link, Yelp link, or Facebook profile link, or whatever the business really needs to get better reviews from. So for this quick example, I'll just type in Google and hit the button to generate the magical QR code. Alright, so LocalReputor created it for us. So remember, with QR codes, anyone can just put up their smartphone and be taken instantly to that specific URL without having to type it in or remember anything. We can play around with the design. I'm sure you can make something much better than this, as this is just a quick example. But now we have a print-ready business card that we can sell in batches to local businesses, and they can simply stick this in with the customer's order to begin generating reviews on their local profile pages. Or if we choose a flyer, we can print it out and put it in their restaurant. For example, when the customer sees this when they are eating. There's tons of things that you can do with this QR code review generator to make money and help brick and mortar businesses. But what about finding and landing local businesses that need their reputation managed and improved? Well, LocalReputor can do that too. Just navigate to the Hot Leads section tab and click Find Leads to start getting clients to sell these services to. Enter a keyword and enter the location you want to search. LocalReputor will begin finding businesses in that area, including showing their current reputation rating on Google My Business, the number of reviews, if their listing is claimed or not claimed, and any contact information to begin learning about them. So here we can see this business has no reviews and hasn't even claimed their listing. Plus it looks like some other ones have gotten negative reviews, hurting their local profile page rating. Because Google is focusing on the best 3 companies now for a specific keyword to showcase and drive leads to, the Google 3-pack, a large amount of these potential leads could seriously use reputation management and enhancement services. So let's take a look at their contact details like this. You can choose to copy them if you want, and then click on Manage Leads to add them to our CRM. We can keep track of all the leads we want to contact, have contacted, or have ended up closing as a client. Next, we can claim their Google My Business listing for them through the app, manage it, including the ability to create special offers that get more leads on their profile. To do that, let's go to Optimize and click the plus button to create a new listing. LocalReputor will take you through the steps to help claim their Google My Business listing for you. I already have a Google My Business profile account added to this software, so to save time, let's go back and start optimizing that for more leads. Click on the Optimize listing to start filling out the information for this Google My Business profile. Now, the more information you can fill out about the business for the client, the higher Google will rank the listing into search results and the more leads that it will get. You can add business contact info, services info, add photos, and more right through the software to optimize the listing and charge upwards of thousands of dollars to do this. Then click on Post to create a special product offer that will appear directly on each local client's Google My Business page. This is a first time ever thing. This will result in more sales and improved reputation and review count, since more traffic will be interacting with that local profile. Simply upload a photo, like the product you're going to be advertising, enter an offer title, and fill out the rest of the info and hit Publish. A special offer will appear directly on their Google My Business profile, which you can charge money for each time you create one. Finally, we can monitor the reviews that begin coming in from LocalReputor by going to the review inbox and selecting the business we want to monitor. Here we can see all the positive or negative reviews the business is getting from our review widgets and choose to reply to them if we want. Replying is shown to increase your Google My Business rank, and it helps get rid of negative reviews. For instance, we can go to Saved Replies, copy a reply that we can send to a negative review that we need to get rid of or change, then reply to that review right through the app. As you can see, everything you need to start a serious reputation agency managing and enhancing businesses' reputation is here in LocalReputor, and the app will do all the heavy lifting for you. Pretty amazing, right?